take your bath and do everything. It's late for me.
It is late. It's past 8 o'clock. What are you still doing up?
And Daddy's putting me to bed, right?
Yeah.
I respect him.
You respect your dad?
Yeah. But
That's good.
Sorry about that. But if he takes sorry about that. But if he takes too long, I still respect him. But he can't take his time. When he sees it's getting late, come right up and say, "Oh, it's getting late. Let's watch some television or do something so you can fall asleep." He doesn't do that.
No?
No. He just says, "Oh, let's go upstairs." Daddy won't let me.
Oh, no.